I've had a concept for a short film for a while.
Alma-Fi, the 4-foot home helper that's ready to work so you don't have to.
A hacker group freeing
buddy.
domestic droids from illegal underground fights. So I built a fully realized sci-fi universe using Genspark. If the name sounds familiar, you probably caught their Super Bowl ad. They are Silicon Valley's first AI agent unicorn. Their all-in-one AI workspace 2.0 wants to replace your entire creative stack. Let's see if they can handle a real production. Every dystopia starts with an utopia. Time to make the original unit. Let's call it Alma 5. It wasn't built for fighting, it was built to fold laundry and help your grandma get around. I wanted the aesthetic to be clean, expensive, yet innocent. You'll notice I'm using this weird code for the prompts. You might be wondering, what is that? Let me let you in on a secret. This is how the pros are getting results that actually stand out. JSON formatting. It sounds technical, but you can literally just set up an AI agent to write them for you. And for some reason, it generates the best looking images. I mean, look at that. We are getting close. I changed my mind about the realistic droid though. Looks cool with the human features and all, but I think I prefer something like a movie companion. Less uncanny and more memorable. Then I needed the disruptors. These aren't soldiers, they are just college kids with a conscience. They aren't hacking to destroy, they are trying to restore the droids back to factory settings. But the big money players don't care about laundry. They want gladiators. So I'm taking that clean factory model and breaking it. To make it easier, I'll use Draw to edit. I just sketch the corruption right onto the frame. The agent understands the geometry and renders the tragedy perfectly. Now we have a victim worth saving.
And the rescue is in motion.
I started with that clean marketing shot we just made. Fed it into the AI video agent. But I didn't want a movie scene yet. I wanted a TV spot. So let's try an infomercial. I love those. They feel like a fever dream at times.
Meet Rubble Buddy 2000, the pint-sized pal that does it all. He'll pour breakfast like a pro, dominate game night, even fold that mountain of laundry.
I'm only 4 feet tall, but I'll...
Let's just say it understood the assignment. The hackers view the world differently. They deal in leaks and surveillance. Creating a cohesive world has never been easier. We can finally get good close-ups. Now we have the atmosphere. We have the context. We need the climax. The moment the rescue team cuts the power and our rusted companion steps out of the shadows.
But as you can hear,
visuals are only half the picture. That felt a bit anticlimactic because it's missing a cinematic soundtrack. So, time to call upon the AI music agent. I need a futuristic film score. The score locks the emotion to make sure the footage feels authentic.
our group needs a secure drop for their leaks.
I don't want a drag and drop builder. I want raw code. So I asked the AI developer for a retro terminal aesthetic. It wrote the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in real time. Nice. We get the tablet and mobile version automatically. Let me try updating it with some new assets. And I think I want to change the image hover animation. Adding 2 more images to the gallery. And let's get it to go from black and white to color when I hover over them. Obviously speeding it up, but these models are very fast. Okay, exactly what I wanted. It's so easy to just deploy whatever change I want. I can simply prompt for it. And this feature specifically is a game changer for me. I've made a few stores with them before, but imagine being able to try product pages in seconds. To access these tools anywhere on my computer, I have been testing Speakly. I need a script for a video, but don't know what to say. I can dictate naturally, and the AI instantly removes any filler words as it types. The next layer of control is custom instructions. For example, I can speak casually, and it automatically rewrites my text into an office-ready professional format. But for me, the most efficient tool is the agent. If I'm editing a video, I can trigger the prompt box without leaving my timeline and ask it to generate, for example, a realistic background. I can even specify exactly which tool I want to use.
We built the character, the movie, the marketing. We did it all in one workspace. And right now, they are handing you the keys. If you sign up now, Genspark is offering unlimited usage of their AI chat and AI image features for all of 2026. And I used 4 agents today, while ignoring 10 others. It feels less like a website and more like a complete operating system. Stop switching tabs and check it out. Link in the description.